Hey everyone, Mike Mulligan here. Thank you so much for joining me today. I am a certified orientation and mobility specialist, and today for this video, I'm going to be demonstrating a safe and easy way to protect yourself when traveling in a kitchen from cabinet doors that are left open. All right, let's do this. So in this demonstration, I'm going to be sharing with you a very important orientation mobility skill, especially for safety when traveling in a kitchen for someone who's blind or visually impaired. And this is a skill I teach all my orientation mobility clients, and it's really that important. So one thing I want to mention here is that if you know somebody who would really benefit from this skill, please feel free to share this video with others. I'm really hoping this video will reach as many people as possible and be able to help keep people safe. So I'm in my kitchen here, and behind me are two cabinet doors, and right now they are both closed. And one thing I just want to mention is that you never quite know when a cabinet door is left open, especially with a bigger family or maybe a family with kids. You might have closed the door to the cabinet, but someone else opened it and went in there and forgot to close it. So this can really come up and surprise people. And there's a fear that a lot of people have that because they're not expecting the door to be open, that they'll run into a door and the corner will get them and they'll have a serious injury to their face. So when you're in the kitchen, what I like to tell my clients is you're going to use one of your arms, it can be either arm, and you're going to do the upper protective technique, which is really just putting one arm in front of you, in front of your face, which I'm demonstrating now. So right now my arm is out in front of me, it's kind of diagonal, and it's covering really my neck up towards my top of my head. It's covering my whole body because it's diagonal. And I like to have the palm facing away from me, like straight ahead, because that way if you come in contact with a cabinet, it's kind of the fleshy palm of your hand that comes in contact with the cabinet door before your face, or something that can really be injured a lot more easily than the palm of your hand. So I'm going to give you a quick example here. If I open my cabinet door, if I were just to be walking and not protecting myself with upper protective technique, there's a good chance I could bump head first straight into this cabinet door, which can be really painful and cause some serious injury. But if I use a protective technique with either hand, if I use a protective technique with either hand, then this hand will come in contact with the cabinet door and give me that protection that I need instead of my face coming in contact. So hand up, protective technique. Now if I'm walking, it's my hand that comes in contact first. And when you're doing the upper protective technique, you want to make sure your hand is out in front of you, not right up against your face, because then the back of your hand will hit you in the face. You want to be about a foot away from the front of your face. But then that way, my hand will come in contact with this cabinet door. I can close it and then go about what I was doing. So thank you so much for joining me today. I hope this little video demonstration was helpful. And I definitely recommend doing this upper protective technique when traveling throughout the kitchen, just to really protect yourself. And once you know the cabinet doors are closed, then you can put your arm back down because you know they're closed. But every time you come into the kitchen for the first time, I'd recommend just doing this protective technique to keep yourself safe. So I hope this video was helpful, and please feel free to share this with others who might benefit from a little skill here that can protect them while traveling throughout the kitchen. And if you're up for it, please subscribe to my channel here. And if you click that little bell icon, you'll be alerted when a new video becomes available. And thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.